Hello there, I'm Saem TARIQ. Today we'll be solving June 2023 paper 4, and we'll be solving over here is the programming for the web JavaScript part first. Okay, so let's go there directly. So it says over here is stop motion animation HTML in a browser and in a text editor. The web page must show a looping stop motion animation that starts with the start button is clicked and display each of the stages spiral 0, 1, 2 for 0.1 seconds, 1/10 of a second. The animation must loop indefinitely. 1 second is equals to 1000 milliseconds. So we have start button. When you click on this, this animation should keep on working. Complete the animate function and the timer function to cycle through the images displaying the time them in the image display bookmark in the HTML file. So I've opened the file over here. We have over here is the start button. Okay, and we have a placeholder, and this placeholder actually over here has this image source. Okay, right? Spiral. There wasn't anything, but I put over a spiral 0.png so that we have at least the very first spiral image. Now inside your folder that you have, you will have all these three images that you have. They will be here. They have to be in the same folder. That's the first thing. So let's look at the coding, how the function basically works. So it's pretty easy. So what we've done over here is you don't really need to do this. It was just for testing purpose. So we have declared a variable a initialized with 0. We'll use a actually for counting purpose. Then I have over here is an array s, which holds is different image files. So in this array, I have spiral 0, spiral 1, and spiral 2 double quotes with extension. Meta function animate, and over here what I'm saying is document.imagedisplay.source is equal to SA. Now, if you know about arrays, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So obviously what happens is this when over here if I say 0, it will actually refer to this spiral 0. And when I say 1, it means this, and 2 means this. We use if statement over here, which says if a is less than s dot length minus 1. So s dot length actually is 3. If I say s dot length is 3, but technically we are starting from 0. So if I start from 0, this is 0, 1, 2. So the index numbering actually goes till 2, but my counting actually goes till 3. This is why I have to have -1 over here. And a plus plus, or which is actually a is equals to a plus 1. Else we'll start from 0 again. So it keeps on incrementing. It goes till where? Till the length. The advantage of this particular condition is this, that I can change the number of elements in my array, and it will work for all of them. Then we have a set timeout, which actually means is that this function should be called after every 1 millisecond. Okay, right? So after every second, frankly speaking. So this is the way this keeps on going on. Okay, and if I preview this now, so if I click on this, you can see this movement. I hope you got it. If you don't get it, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.